Hello everyone. All right, today I received a nib that is unlike any other that I have received until now. It is by Shak-MD. It has 2 layers to it. It behaves like an extra fine or the most juicy flex nib you have ever seen. Yeah, and you don't expect it either. It is an absolute beast. You will love it, and I get to show it to you right now. Okie dokie, so let's get straight into it. This is the Asfine J16, gorgeous titanium pen. It has a JoWo nib, takes JoWo nibs. And this right here is the JoWo nib compatible double layer nib from Shak-MD. First look, doesn't look all that different from a regular JoWo, but if we go in a little bit closer, you can see there's some weird stuff going on the top. So what is that? Well, you can see there's actually 2 nibs. That section in the middle there is just one extra fine nib with the sides cut off completely. And then underneath, there's another nib that's been chopped up to turn into a really nice flex nib. And the end result is that you have a point at the bottom here that's quite small, nice and sharp for an extra fine bit of writing. But then the magic happens when you start pulling down a bit harder than usual. So let's just do some writing. You can see it's extra fine. Nice and fine, but as you pull, the nib underneath opens up like that. Yeah, so it's that spread, man. It kind of snaps back into position really easily. And the fact that that bit on the top holds onto the ink so hard means that it can just dump out a massive volume of ink. Look at that. Get the lighting a bit better. The amount of ink in there is absolutely gigantic. Look at that. It's an absolute puddle. Yeah, I mean, it's just so wet, and it just refuses to railroad. That is incredible. What do you think, everyone? Oh yeah, ebonite feed came with the nib as well, hey? Yeah. What do you reckon? Should I get him to make me one out of a Mont Blanc 149? Out of 2 Mont Blanc 149s? Maybe a Pelican M1000. What do you reckon? I reckon it's too much money. But that's okay. I don't need it. This is everything I need right here. All right, everyone. Hope you like this nib as much as I do. Talk to you later. Enjoy your evening, or enjoy your whatever time of day it might be wherever you are. See ya.